Okay, welcome back, and time to do the water trick. Love doing this part. So, this is them right now. I think they're partially in a trans. So let's see. Okay, so this is warm, and see how light they've gone, and then cold. And then they go the dark orange. So yeah, this one's not as noticeable as some of the other polishes that they're transforming. It's more of a settled one, but still very cool. It's a very nice summer color. So there. I always love this part. This is my favorite. It's not picking up how light this is, and it seems lighter in person versus on my camera. But anyway, there you have it. And once again, this one is TC02. So stay tuned. I will be doing some nail art. I've got a cute little summer design I want to do. Okay, I'll be right back.